Hello everyone, I am Surendra Jain, Master Teacher in Vedantu. I am presenting you the solutions of JEE Advanced 2020. This is question number 2 from paper 1 from the topic functions. The subtopic is types of function, where we ask you whether a function is one, many one, onto or into. Very frequently asked variety of question in JEE Advanced based on simple fundamentals. Let us see first what question is. If the function f r to r is defined by fx is equal to mod x into x minus sin x, then which of the following statement is true? F is 1 but not onto, f is onto not 1, f is both 1 and onto, f is neither 1 nor onto. Let us see how to solve this. Now first what I will say that this function is actually product of two things, mod x and x minus sin x. The first part is even and second part is odd. That means the product will be odd function, isn't it? So let us analyze this for two parts, x greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. Then this fx will be x into x minus sin x. Here if we differentiate it, we get 1 into x minus sin x plus x into 1 minus cos x. Now very easy to observe that both these things are positive. We know this thing, x minus sin x is positive. We have done such thing in application of derivatives. In fact, you can check by differentiation also that it is always positive for x positive. Similarly, this 1 minus cos x is always positive and x is also positive. So the net result is that for x greater than or equal to 0, this f dash x is going to be greater than or equal to 0. Okay, now because function is odd, so its derivative should be even function. So we can say for x less than 0 also, this f dash x will be greater than 0, and you can verify by proper differentiation also. In fact, if we try to see it graphically, then also it is very easy to see. For x positive, because we have proved it is increasing because its derivative is positive, it will be like this. Now for x negative, because it is an odd function, it should be image of this graph only about origin. So it should be like this. So that means the function in totality should be increasing only. Okay, so we can say that function is 1. Okay, next coming to onto. To find onto, we need to find the range. Now it is very easy to see that function will go to infinite as x goes to infinite. It is very easy to see. X minus sin x will be approaching to infinite. Sin x can only take values between -1 and 1. So it will not stop this function from becoming equal to infinite. Similarly, fx will be minus infinite as your x going to minus infinite. So we can see that this function is having range from minus infinity to plus infinity because it is continuous also. So every value has to be there in its range. So range is all real number, and hence my answer should be 1 and onto. So that answer will be C. Okay, now I will tell you one very quick method for this 1 part. Let us see what could this be. See, this function is fx is equal to x into x minus sin x for x greater than 0. Now this x here and x minus sin x here, they both are increasing, isn't it? They both are increasing and positive. So their product has to be increasing and positive only, starting from the value equal to 0. As at x is equal to 0, it will be 0. So we can see it should be increasing throughout for all x greater than 0. So directly we can say fx is increasing. Now exactly same way as I have said for x greater than 0, similarly we can say for x negative also that function will be increasing. and hence function is 1 1. For range, I have already told you, it has to have range equal to all real number, because for x approaching to infinite, the function will be going to infinite. For x approaching to minus infinite, function will be becoming minus infinite, and as it is continuous, so range is all real number. So 1 1 and on 2. So that C is the answer. Okay, so this is the solution of this question. I hope you like this solution. Stay tuned for solution of more questions. Thank you so much. Bye.